Hi Andy, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've redone your part for you. Well, when I say redone, what I've done for you, I've had it on test now for hours, okay, and I'll be honest with you, I can't find any faults, alright, I just can't find any faults, so I don't know what the issue is with this. As a precaution, I've changed the laser again, but you know, like I say, as soon as I've unboxed it, it was working anyway, and it's been working for hours without a laser change. But I have done it anyway. Okay, I've done it. I've also changed the spindle motor in there. You got the motor for the spindle part that drives the laser up and down. I've also put a new one of them in for you. Well, it's not new; it's a used part, but I know it's come off of a good part. So that's, you know, in all honesty, that is all I can actually do, because it is working, and you can see it working now. And the thing is with these, if they don't work, they don't work, and if they work type of thing. So I honestly think that maybe, or a possibility, that one of your cables, one of these cables here, has come loose or something, and they do come loose. The little pegs come out. But that is what I would try. And like I say, this has been on for hours, absolute hours, for the last few days. So that is all I can do for you, Andy, in all honesty. You know, I've done it. I did find the fault when I first got it. I did find the fault. The laser was faulty and the cogs were faulty, or a cog was faulty, and I replaced that one for you already. You know, I'm not finding any faults on that board, and the boards are usually work or they don't work. So, you know, all I can say is give this a try and see how you go from there. But I've done what I can for you. So thank you very much, Andy. Really appreciate it. Thank you.